Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Did you know that your kidneys filter about 50 gallons of blood every single day? That's a lot of work for these two small, bean-shaped organs. If you're not giving your kidneys the care they deserve, you're missing out on optimal health. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll explore 13 incredible superfoods that can supercharge your kidney health and help them function at their best. Stay tuned till the end for bonus tips on how to incorporate these superfoods into your daily diet. Point 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are often hailed as one of nature's most powerful superfoods, particularly for kidney health. These vibrant berries are abundant in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color. These compounds actively combat free radicals, protecting kidney cells from oxidative stress, a leading cause of chronic kidney conditions. Additionally, blueberries are naturally low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making them a kidney-friendly choice for those with chronic kidney disease, CKD. Unlike many other fruits, their nutrient profile is ideal for maintaining electrolyte balance, a critical factor in kidney function. Point 2. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a nutrient-packed choice for promoting kidney health. These vibrant vegetables are incredibly low in potassium, making them a safe and beneficial option for individuals with compromised kidney function. At the same time, they deliver a generous dose of vitamin C, A, and B6, which contribute to cellular repair and immune support, crucial for overall kidney health. What sets red bell peppers apart is their rich content of lycopene, a potent antioxidant that helps reduce the risk of kidney-related inflammation and damage. Lycopene actively works to neutralize harmful free radicals, shielding the kidneys from oxidative stress and supporting their filtration capabilities. Point 3. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a powerhouse vegetable that offers significant benefits for kidney health. It's naturally low in potassium, making it a kidney-friendly choice for those monitoring their intake of this mineral. Additionally, cauliflower is packed with compounds like indoles and glucosinolates, which assist the body in neutralizing harmful toxins, reducing the strain on the kidneys. This cruciferous vegetable is a rich source of vitamin C, folate, and fiber, all of which support the body's natural detoxification processes. Its fiber content promotes digestive health, ensuring waste products are efficiently eliminated from the body, easing the burden on the kidneys. Point 4. Garlic. Garlic stands out as a natural ally for kidney health due to its remarkable therapeutic properties. It's an excellent seasoning choice for those managing kidney issues because it adds flavor without relying on excess sodium, which can strain the kidneys. This humble bulb is rich in allicin, a sulfur compound known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. These properties can help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage and support their optimal function over time. Garlic also assists in lowering cholesterol levels and regulating blood pressure, two key factors in maintaining overall kidney health. Point 5. Cranberries. Cranberries are small but mighty fruits that pack a significant punch when it comes to promoting kidney health. Known for their ability to protect the urinary tract, cranberries help maintain a clean and infection-free environment within the kidneys by creating a barrier against harmful bacteria, particularly E. coli. Rich in unique phytonutrients called proanthocyanidins, cranberries prevent bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the likelihood of infections that could strain the kidneys. These compounds also possess anti-inflammatory properties, which may help alleviate the oxidative stress on the kidneys caused by chronic conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure. Point 6. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are nutritional powerhouses that offer substantial benefits for kidney health. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. Chronic inflammation is a leading contributor to kidney damage, and the anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s help protect kidney tissues and improve overall function. Another key benefit of fatty fish lies in their ability to regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for kidney disease, and the heart-healthy fats in these fish aid in keeping blood pressure levels stable, thereby reducing stress on the kidneys. Point 7. Apples. Apples are a kidney-friendly fruit packed with nutrients that support overall health while being gentle on the kidneys. Their high fiber content aids in flushing out toxins, reducing the load on the kidneys and allowing them to function more efficiently. Pectin, a type of soluble fiber found in apples, plays a key role in lowering cholesterol and stabilizing blood sugar levels, both of which are essential for protecting kidney health. One of the standout features of apples is their low potassium content, making them a perfect choice for individuals with compromised kidney function who need to manage their potassium intake. Unlike some fruits that can overwhelm the kidneys with excessive potassium, apples strike a balance by providing essential nutrients without added stress. Point 8. Onions. Onions are a kidney-friendly powerhouse that bring flavor to meals without adding unnecessary sodium, a critical factor for supporting kidney health. Rich in flavonoids, particularly quercetin, onions provide potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits that help shield the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, two contributors to kidney damage over time. Unlike many high-potassium vegetables, onions are naturally low in potassium, making them an excellent choice for those with compromised kidney function or those managing chronic kidney disease. Their ability to add robust flavor to dishes means you can rely less on salt for seasoning, further reducing the strain on your kidneys. Point 9. Olive oil. Olive oil is a nutritional gem, especially for those aiming to support kidney health. This heart-healthy fat is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which play a key role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. By mitigating inflammation, olive oil can help prevent or slow the progression of kidney-related issues. What makes olive oil particularly unique is its high content of polyphenol, natural compounds with strong antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, protecting kidney cells from oxidative stress, which can damage their structure and function over time. Point 10. Watermelon in moderation. Watermelon, a hydrating and refreshing fruit, can be a great ally for kidney health when consumed in moderation. Its high water content, over 90%, makes it a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins and support proper kidney function. This can reduce the risk of kidney stones by maintaining a steady flow of fluids through the urinary system. Rich in vitamins A and C, watermelon provides antioxidants that protect kidney cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. These vitamins also support overall immune health, which is crucial for preventing infections that may burden the kidneys. Additionally, the presence of lycopene, a potent antioxidant, helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, promoting kidney well-being. Point 11. Cabbage. Cabbage is a powerhouse vegetable for kidney health, offering a combination of nutrients that are both beneficial and gentle on your kidneys. Its low potassium content makes it particularly suitable for individuals needing to monitor their potassium intake due to kidney concerns. This ensures your kidneys aren't overwhelmed while still receiving essential nourishment. Packed with vitamins K, C, and B6, cabbage supports various body functions, including maintaining a healthy immune system and aiding in cellular repair. Vitamin C, in particular, acts as an antioxidant, shielding kidney cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can compromise their function over time. Point 12. Strawberries. Strawberries are a delightful and kidney-friendly superfood, loaded with health benefits that go beyond their sweet taste. They are naturally low in potassium, making them a suitable choice for individuals with kidney concerns who need to manage their potassium intake carefully. Their low-calorie profile also makes them an excellent option for those looking to maintain a healthy weight, reducing strain on the kidneys. These vibrant berries are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins and ellagic acid, which protect kidney cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This protection is crucial for preventing inflammation and long-term damage to the kidneys, supporting their ability to filter waste and toxins effectively. Point 13. Pumpkin seeds, in moderation. Pumpkin seeds are a nutrient powerhouse that can benefit kidney health when consumed in controlled amounts. These tiny seeds are rich in magnesium, which helps regulate blood pressure, a crucial factor for maintaining kidney function. By keeping blood pressure within a healthy range, pumpkin seeds reduce the risk of stress and damage to these vital organs. These seeds are also a source of plant-based protein, providing essential amino acids that support overall health without overburdening the kidneys. Unlike heavy animal-based proteins, moderate amounts of pumpkin seeds can help meet dietary protein needs without contributing to excess waste production, easing the workload on the kidneys. In conclusion, let's quickly sum up these 13 foods. Number 1. Blueberries. Number 2. Red bell peppers. Number 3. Cauliflower. Number 4. Garlic. Number 5. Cranberries. Number 6. Fatty fish. Number 7. Apples. Number 8. Onions. Number 9. Olive oil. Number 10. Watermelon, in moderation. Number 11. Cabbage. Number 12. Strawberries. Number 13. Pumpkin seeds, in moderation. Which of these superfoods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more health-boosting tips. Take care of your kidneys, and they'll take care of you.